Hi friends, I will be cooking Binignit or Ginataang Halo-halo. This is a classic snack or merienda of the Filipinos. Here are the ingredients. So we have sliced banana, we have coconut milk, glutinous rice, taro, sweet potatoes, jackfruit, tapioca pearls, native tapioca, and brown sugar. So I have to make first rice balls or bilo-bilo using glutinous rice. So we have to mix it well until we get the desired consistency. Now I think this is okay. So we have to start making bilo-bilo or rice balls simply by doing this. Then we have to start cooking. Place the coconut milk in the pot and we have to let it boil. Now that it's boiling, then we have to add the native tapioca and also the gabi. We call it gabi or it's taro. We will cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will add the brown sugar. Well, it's up to you if you like to add this one at the later part, but I usually add this one at this time. And then followed by the other ingredients. So I will add the bananas, the jackfruits, and then simmer this one for around 2 minutes. This time, I'm going to add the glutinous rice balls. So it's good that when you add the glutinous rice balls, you have to do it one by one, not all together so that they will not stick together. And we will cook it for another 3 minutes. Now we have to add the sago or the pearl tapioca and the sweet potatoes. And we will cook them again for another 3 minutes. or until they are tender. This is almost done, so we have to add the coconut milk. And then we have to let it boil. Have to stir it so that everything, all the ingredients will be mixed well. It looks colorful now and it looks so yummy. This is cooked already, and it's nice to serve this one while it's hot. Thanks for watching.